Hi guys, so here with me I have this Numberblocks sing and record music player. This was sent to us to try out and share with you, and it is such a fun toy. It has a lot of musical functions and songs built in for the kids. Definitely entertaining for the kids. My 2 and 4-year-olds are really into Numberblocks right now, and they've been having such a blast with this. It is recommended for ages 3 and up, but since my daughter is almost 3 and my son is 4, it is perfect for them. It is cute, portable, and honestly such a fun toy to have. So if you've got little ones who love music or Numberblocks, make sure you add this to your cart. It's fun, portable, and will keep them entertained anywhere, at home, in the car, or on the go. Also runs on 2 AA batteries, which it actually comes with, so you can actually start using it right away. On the side you have the controls, the off, low volume, high volume, and a try me button. And here's something I really like: it has a spot to plug in headphones. That's super convenient if you're in the car or just busy and don't really want to hear all the noise, but the kids can still sit next to you playing and enjoying their music without disturbing anyone. What I love is that the kids can carry it around like a little boombox or set it down to play. It has different functions with the buttons. Number 1 plays music. Number 3 makes fun sounds. Number 4 lets you record your voice. And number 5 will play or pause that recording. So just press the orange button anytime to stop the music.